Manual call points, or MCPs, are crucial safety devices found on ships, designed to ensure that crew members can quickly alert others in case of an emergency. These devices are typically mounted on walls in strategic locations throughout the vessel, making them easily accessible. When activated, they send an immediate signal to the ship's alarm system, alerting everyone on board to the situation at hand. Understanding how MCPs work is essential for maritime professionals. When you pull the handle of a manual call point, it completes an electrical circuit, triggering the alarm system. This action not only alerts the crew, but also initiates emergency protocols, which can be vital in situations like a fire or flooding. The simplicity of their operation is one of their greatest strengths. In a high-stress environment, every second counts, and MCPs provide a straightforward way to communicate danger. The purpose of MCPs extends beyond just alerting the crew. They play a significant role in the overall safety culture on board. By ensuring that every crew member knows the location and function of these devices, we foster a proactive approach to safety. Regular drills and training sessions are essential to familiarize the crew with MCPs, ensuring that everyone knows how to use them effectively when it matters most. Now, let's talk about the regulations governing these devices. The International Maritime Organization, or IMO, along with the Safety of Life at Sea, known as SOLAS, mandates the installation and maintenance of MCPs on all passenger and cargo ships. These regulations are not just bureaucratic red tape, they are designed to save lives. Compliance with these standards ensures that vessels are equipped to handle emergencies efficiently, providing peace of mind for both crew and passengers. There are various types of MCPs, each designed for specific environments and needs. Some are equipped with features like weatherproof casings for outdoor use, while others may have visual indicators to show when they've been activated. Understanding the different types and their features is vital for maritime professionals, as it allows for informed decisions regarding installation and maintenance. Speaking of maintenance, regular testing of MCPs is non-negotiable. This involves checking the functionality of the devices, ensuring that they are free from obstructions, and confirming that the alarm system responds correctly. A well-maintained MCP can be the difference between a swift response and a catastrophic delay during an emergency. Establishing a routine maintenance schedule is essential, and documenting these checks can help ensure compliance with SOLAS and IMO regulations. In conclusion, manual call points are more than just safety devices. They are a critical component of maritime safety culture. Their purpose, operation, and adherence to international regulations underscore their importance on board. By understanding and maintaining these devices, maritime professionals can significantly enhance the safety of their vessels and the well-being of everyone on board.